You guys, another one of those type of people. We're clogging up the line here, YouTube this. 5 minutes in, playing the whole damn song over here at Ruckus.
Thanks, EXO.
I know you're gonna dig this.
My name is Jacob Bryant, and I have 6 Audiopipe BD215s on 3 APMI 2Ks. I also have in each of my rear doors 4 APMB 6.5s, 2 compression driver tweeters, and at the moment I had to just have some spare 8s that I had laying around in there until I get the ones that I need to go in the doors. The subs that are inverted actually have close to what they need on the ported side. It's around 2 cubes per sub. The sealed are pretty good on that side. They have 1.3, which they like that. The design came a little bit from yours with Frankenstein's, except for I had to flop it around to the way they are. The plexi was pretty easy to do, but the bracing, I knew I was gonna have to do it, but I didn't do it at first. But I took a couple pieces of steel that I had laying around and welded it together. It doesn't look pretty, but it does the job. When I sealed it off, what I did, so I wouldn't ruin the headliner or any of the plastic that I had to leave in here, I took a piece of black plastic and draped it around the outside of the box before I spray foamed it. I probably could be a little bit louder if I would have cut the headliner and sealed it up to the roof, but I didn't do that. I have a 300 amp excessive amperage alternator running 5 excess power D3100s. But on the rebuild that's coming up for 2019, which you will see at Slamology, will be a lot bigger than what it is. So now I guess we'll let you hear it.
You guys, another one of those type of people. Look at this. 5 minutes in, playing the whole damn song over here at Ruckus. I definitely gotta get my hats off to this guy for a cool looking design. Pretty close quarters back here. Got the bracing shoved right in between, but look at that. Pretty cool. What do you think? Drop a little comment. Let us know what you think of the build.
Huge thanks to our friends at the Amp Lab for supporting the EXO channels. If you've got a busted up amp that needs repairing or just looking to buy new and used gear, be sure to check out the Amp Lab. Troy and Ethan are always hooking it up for us bass heads. Follow the link below. Now let's get back into it.
Crescendo speaks of the yin yang. Crescendo 10Ks and a 10 to 12K too. Oh, wait, that's not hooked up. I see. Yeah, that one's just chilling. Pull it up. Lots of capacitors in there, holy shit.
Yes, sir. You need my name for my video? That you did on my truck? What's Eldorado?
Sure.
This time, I don't think it's 3 minutes, so you're gonna have to reset it.
You go back here, and then here. So when it very first started, we're gonna have to try it, yeah.
Let's do it, yeah!
Y'all ready?
Having a break in the song like that, that's not that terrible. He had like 3 or 4 breaks there for a few. Getting it.
Yeah.
For how many pauses you had in the song, that wasn't that bad.
We don't have a song that's that long.
I hear you. But dude, you still made it over the 50, correct?
Oh yeah.
Even with all those gaps and the frequency changes and the fucking...
Y'all ready?
Shit! We're clogging up the line here, YouTube. This damn.
Thanks, EXO.
Oh, thank you, man. Baby. Thank you. Well, there we go, guys. Another dynamic duo coming in with some solid sound and bass demos right here on the EXO channels. Now, I gotta be honest, that first video definitely took me by surprise with Jacob Bryant's Audiopipe setup. You don't see that many builds taking budget-minded equipment and going balls to the wall with quantity. He had all kinds of subwoofers, inverted, looking real good. Even took some inspiration from our previous Frankenstein build with 618s, so that's definitely pretty cool to see someone implement all those different ideas in their own unique way. And he did a great job making the install look nice and clean. Big thumbs up for that one, man. I can't wait to see what you come up with next. And then we turned back the clock even more, getting some throwback demos from Big Baby Customs Brandon with his nice Crescendo audio uptown setup up back and his Sundown audio subs walled off with a driver side port. Now, I'm not sure what size those sub was. I tried to zoom in real close to see exactly what size it was, but if you saw and noticed what size it was, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. But man, either way, that was a pretty impressive build. There was different meter locations if you were paying attention to the video. One was in the window, and I believe one was at the headrest. And if that dang song was just long enough, he wouldn't have had to reset it and have a gap right in the middle of his run.
Ready?
So if you end up competing in a musical class, remember to make sure that your bass line in your song is long enough to get you your full average points. As far as bass goes, you can find a little bit of everything right here on the channel. So if you enjoy loud bass, SQ, big systems, small systems, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Gosh, I can't even talk right now. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned. Gosh, I don't know what is wrong with me. I have to end this video. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos. We have lots of great stuff in store for you guys. And if you haven't done it yet, go ahead and click that little notification bell, because I've noticed that some people aren't getting my videos and are sending me messages about it. So do yourself a favor, do us all a favor, click subscribe and hit that little notification bell to get brand new car audio videos the second they come out. I've got an awesome little video comparing an expensive subwoofer to a cheap subwoofer coming up, and many more things to look for. I'm done, guys. I can't even talk right now. I'm like, I don't even know what's going on with me. Am I trying to burp or something? I don't know. I'm gonna let that be a sign. All right, guys, until the next video, this is EXO signing out. Stay loud and stay proud.